Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today's video is a Dollar Tree DIY combined with Stampin' Up. So I'm going to be using the gorgeously made stamp set, these burlap ribbon, or this burlap sticker with the beautiful ribbon bow. We've got some ribbon here as well. And then we've got a cross from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead right now and cut this right off. And if you guys saw my video where I made this cross, you'll see that I came, as I was doing it, said, oh, that looks like wood burning. I'm going to try wood burning. So I think we're going to try it and see what happens. So I'm going to get out my block. And of course, if you wanted to order this, you could always go to beautyandthestamper.com and look for Gorgeously Made after you hit the Shop Stampin' Up button. So I think this one looks really nice. And we're going to go ahead and go with that. I think that'll do a nice wood burning there. And I think I'm also going to go with this one here with just some bits of, looks like old typewriter written pages cut out. And I could always use a thank you, you're a great friend, or anything like that if I wanted to. So we're going to start. I'm going to get out copper clay. And if you saw my last one, I used a dauber. You can see that it is all shredded because I was using it on the side of this. And it just shreds it. So, but that's okay. I'm only on this one going to go around the outsides here, just like this. And you could see it gives that wood burned look. So we're going to go all the way around. Now, if you don't have this color, you could also use a brown, but this just looks like a wood burnt color. So use what you've got, of course. But look at this. I'm going to put a little bit right there. But we'll go over that. And we're going to go here and just go all the way around. And look at that. Look at what it's already made such a difference. Okay. So we've got that, and I'm going to leave this out. I'm going to take this here. And I'm going to just add a little bit. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so, I'm just loving it. So we're going to put a little bit there. We'll put some here. And then we'll definitely put some over the top there. Then I'm going to come in with this one. And we're going to definitely go like that. Oh, for sure. And we're going to come back around and do that way. Tell me that does not look like wood burning there. I am just loving this. So pretty. And then I'm going to do one more. Oh, goodness. Don't worry about it. I'm going to do one more right here. So you'll see why I say don't worry about it. I'm going to add a little bit more of this into spaces where I kind of don't have anything. Oh my goodness. This just looks so pretty. you don't drop it. Look at how pretty that is. But again, I'm not worried about that because, remember I told you we're going to be using some of the burlap sticker. I'm going to grab that one out. Just like that. And we're going to put that right here. Nobody's going to be the wiser. I am going to cut a little bit more of this felt off, just because you can see it, and I don't want it to be showing. Yeah, now you don't have to see that. Okay. So I'm really liking that. I think I'm going to use a little bit more and darken this up. Yeah, I like that. So I'm going to widen it. And I don't want it to be much bigger than what I have already. Oh, there you go. So you can see it a lot nicer. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn my hot glue gun on. And it heats up really fast. So there we go. Once that is ready, we're just going to add that hot glue right on here. And I am going to put enough. And we're just going to go right in the middle there. And then I'm going to take some of this. And I'm going to put that right through here. Bring this one through and make a little tie up here. And I made it really long so that we could tie this rather nicely. And you can tie it in a bow if you like bows. You could tie it just like this. You could put it through and do that loop-de-loop that a lot of people like to do. I'm just gonna do that. And I'm just going to cut it at an angle just like that. And you guys, how pretty is that cross? Quick and easy, decorated, would make a lovely gift. And just having multiples decorated differently would be so nice because they're still both copper, but it's mixing that copper look with the wood grain look. So pretty. Let me know what you think. I hope you like it. I really do. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and also make sure you give me a big thumbs up. I love doing these, and I'd like to hear what you think. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.